It's been a few months, so I want to give a shameless plug for my VacMaster VP230 Chamber Sealer. Did a video here on my channel way back in the winter when I got it, talking about how I was pumped up for my upcoming hunting seasons, and you wouldn't believe how many of these sold off of my referral link. There's a new discount code they just gave me, ToddToven, ToddToven, 15% off. So absolutely insane deal if you were looking at getting a high-end chamber sealer. This is a pack of Italian sausages that I froze back in March. This has been 5 months, and outside of the frost, on the outside of the package, you can see 0 ice crystals inside. Have some leftover brisket. We're gonna go ahead and seal this and put it in the freezer. Since I make cooking videos and wild game videos for a living, a lot of times we have extra meat on hand, just can't eat it all, so we need to throw this in the freezer before we go on vacation shortly, and then we can pull out this leftover brisket and eat it whenever we want to. Into my VP230. And we're off to the races. This thing is a beast. It actually weighs 90 pounds. Wasn't feeling very strong today. My wife helped me carry it outside. It has a 1/2 horsepower pump on it. This thing seals everything completely airtight. It actually creates a chamber that is void of oxygen inside here. So anything that's inside here in the bag, whether it's a screwdriver or whether it's brisket, it's gonna be completely airtight at the end of the process. This is what commercial meat processors use. It's the real deal. When you go to Alaska and you go on a fishing trip, which by the way, man, I wanna go to Alaska on a fishing trip. That's what the processors use up there. Perfect. So we have brisket going into the freezer. I'll throw my pack of sausage back in the freezer with it. Stay tuned. I'm gonna bring you as much as I can. The last couple years here on my channel, we haven't done as many of the wild game videos because I'm too busy doing my videos for the Blackstone channel. But this year, check it out. For the first time in 25 years, the first time in a quarter of a century, I didn't draw a Colorado elk tag. Ugh, not happy about it. But 2 of my sons drew Colorado elk tags. But for the first time ever, Colorado Shiras moose tag. Cow moose, not bull, but cow moose tag. I'm so pumped up. That's a rifle season, a standalone rifle season. I drew a buck deer tag and the kids drew doe deer tags, mule deer. So we're gonna be hunting out in the Gunnison area for those. And we drew pronghorn tags as well. That season coincides with moose, so we'll see what happens. But either way, hopefully, God willing, we'll be doing plenty of this with our wild game and with our sausage, and we'll take you back to the old days where we're processing meat here on the channel. So whether you want to pick up a chamber sealer, they actually have lines of kitchen knives, butcher knives, which I'm hoping to get my hands on, by the way. Ooh, and really cool prep tables too. So if you want a prep table for cooking outside by the Blackstone or whatever, or for processing your meat, they got a whole line of prep tables. In fact, I have one in the garage that I haven't assembled yet, so I need to bring it out and show it to you. It's VacMasterFresh.com. The code is ToddToven, ToddToven. And let me know down below in the comments, please, if you bought one, because so many people, every couple days, I get a notice from somebody that picked one up, and hopefully you're as happy as I am. I'm loving it. I can't wait for my upcoming hunting season. Let me know if you're going hunting this fall. So maybe you are an Ohio white-tailed deer hunter. Maybe you're hunting pigs in Hawaii, or maybe you live up in Alaska and right now you're living the dream fishing for salmon. Let me know, and don't forget to check out my friends at VacMaster Fresh. Stay tuned, everybody. I have a lot of videos coming your way. I just can't edit them quick enough. And also make sure you're watching my other show on Blackstone social media. It's called Let's Give It a Try, a brand new episode every Friday. Until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the sausage and the brisket.